Okay, I'm just now, I done went around, and as you can see, I'm coming close to the completed circle of the, of my lady. She looks kind of art deco to me. Oh, let me scoop my chair up a little so I can keep my work in the frame. Oh, shoot. Okay. And one and two. And I'm just curious where people watch from, so feel free to introduce yourself in the chat. Since I'm new to the channel and not new to YouTube, but um, new in discussing my journey to, um, create the inventory for my shop, so my Shopify. So right now I'm not ready to launch yet, but I am working on my inventory. So as you can see, you could kind of see the white stitching all the way around. And you may say, why is she using a white thread? There's a reason, because this is the next technique. I'm not going to tie this thread off. I'm going to put it out of the way over here. Um, I'm going to still keep it threaded, but right now I'm going to introduce another thread. And this one is going to be my beads. I'm going to put beads on this thread, and it's smoke colored. Um, so I'm going to knot it at the end. Knot this at the end. Got a nice little knot there. And I'm going to start probably right here with this thread. Right here. Kind of on the outside. I always like to anchor that thread, not really count on the knots. So I'm going to go one. I'm anchoring it. I'm going along. There is a black, like a line here. I'm trying to get it right in there so this will be hidden. And I want to line up the beads right, right along this line right here, the white. So once I get done, the white outline will barely show. It may show some, but you're gonna have to be very up close to see it. And the reason I don't want it to show, I'm gonna do 2 rows of the beads. I'm gonna do 2 rows. Um, I think I'm gonna do 2 rows. I'm gonna wait till I get um, one roll on, one row on to see how it looks. Then I'll start. Okay, I just brought my thread up. It's right here. And here's my white thread. Here's this thread. So what I'm gonna do is get my beads. This is a pretty, I think I got these at Hobby Lobby. These are 12, size 12, plated antique brass. And it's from their Beaded Treasure. 4.49. But a lot of times, if you catch the sales, you can get it, you can get them 50% off. And I like these because they're uneven. For some reason, I just do not like, for my pieces, I don't really care for all the uniformity. I like these old check beads are, some are little, some are big. See how pretty that's gonna, I'm going to Put that here. I have a little beads threader, but I'm not doing too many beads at a time. So I'm not gonna use it. The little spinning wheel where you put your needle to pick them up. But I may use that. See how this goes. So I have some. I'm gonna put my thread up here, and I'm gonna get these out of the way, and I'm gonna pull this back into frame where you can see where I line these up. Now I'm gonna get my white thread, and I start a ways away, so I'm gonna work my way um, to this to these beads. And the good thing about this, another reason I use fire line is because at the end of the day, the back is it's gonna have so many threads everywhere. And then I'm going to uh, put some tacky glue and tack another piece of interfacing down. So that's going to kind of seal everything in here. So that's going to be nice. So that's why I really don't worry about how the back is going to look. Not so much. So now I'm coming up on my beads. And what I like to do about 2 or 3 at a time. So I'm pushing it right there. And I'm going to couch them. That's what you call couching. So I'm going to go outside of my um, thing. I'm going on the felt on the outside. And I'm just going to couch these right at this line. And this will snap it up in place. See how that's nice. And I'm kind of pulling this back, kind of pushing it. And I'm going to do like, you can see, I'm going to try to do 3 beads at a time. Pull this thread close. And let me pull this. And I'm going to stab it. A lot of people take a stitch, but they stitch these down. But I like the flexibility of being able to push them closer. And I'm just beading as I go. So every 3 beads, I'm going to pop up right on the outskirts of the trim and go right on the line and pull it and tighten it. There we go. You can see, where'd that bead go? That one's a little, oh, it's there. Push these down a little so they're flush with the others. So I will, making sure you can be able to see what I'm doing. Yeah, it's kind of hard. Wish I had a cameraman, but I'm my own camera person. Oh, I was running my mouth too much. One good thing, you can loosen the thread and move your bead in and pull it down. So nice, and it's kind of firm too. And this is not going nowhere. It's firm. As you can see, I haven't tacked these down yet. And I'm gonna give this a rest. Go get some more beads and load them up again. Some beads. And as you can see, I'm going to go all the way around. And I may do some netting, so that's going to be very pretty. And I'll show you what I mean. The netting is I may take beads, 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 beads here in a triangle, put a sequence there and anchor it. And that'll be very elegant. Matter of fact, I might do it because it'll give some Art Deco kind of um, vibe to this piece. So that'll be nice. Frame it like that, and then beaded. That'll be very pretty. So I'm gonna put that down here. And the first row is always kind of awkward, when you're putting them down because you don't really have nothing to anchor them to. But just remember to go on the outside of your beads, and then go here, and that's where you want to snap them in place. There they snap down. Kind of move them some more. Go back down, count about 3 more. I can't believe you didn't see that. I poked the needle way over on the other side. And now I'm going to probably put on probably a tape or something, or YouTube video. So I'll listen to YouTube while I'm making a YouTube. So I will see you when I finish this going around. And it may be tomorrow because it's kind of getting kind of late here. I start filming a little later today. That heat kind of drained me, so I came in, took a little nap. Then I said, I need to make my video, so I got up and started making my video. So hopefully this one will probably be about 3 videos. Hopefully about 3. Let me lift this up. These are going to go under the bridge and anchor it. And this is the most forgiving stitch there is. And I wish you could see this in real life. That metallic is really picking up. And you cannot see this edging again. You cannot see that. Okay, I will be back.